Do you want to get the most power out of your boat's engine? Are you hoping to avoid the nasty business of engine failures, clogs, and other potentially costly issues? Then you may want to get your hands on a fuel filter water separator, the sooner the better. Don't worry if you are not sure where to start. My review of the best marine fuel filter kits has got you covered. Let's get started. Number 1, Sierra 18-7982-1 Fuel Water Separator Kit. Sierra has been making the lives of boat owners easier for half a century, which is why it should come as no surprise to see one of their products spearheading this list. I am talking about the 18-7982-1 Separator Kit, of course. Boasting a 99.8% emulsified water removal rate, it's easy to see why the separator kit is so popular amongst boat owners. Highlighted features. Reputable brand. 90% efficiency. 99.8% emulsified water removal rate. Number 2, Moeller 033320-1010 Micron Water Separating Filter Kit. Does your boat have a Mercury, Johnson, Yamaha, Suzuki, Nissan, Evinrude, Tohatsu, or Honda engine? Then consider using the Moeller 033320-10 Water Separating Filter Kit to make the most out of it. Highlighted features. Inexpensive. Made with powder-coated aluminum. 4, 2 and 4 cycle engines. Compatible with many engine types. Number 3, Moeller Clear Sight Water Separating Fuel Filter System for Outboard Motors. Another Moeller product has earned its spot on our list, this time it's their Clear Sight Water Separating Fuel Filter System. It's also known as the 03331410. The device is comprised of a composite base and a clear plastic bowl, which is valuable because you'll be able to easily view your fuel without the hassle of emptying it. Highlighted features. Able to view contents of the filter with ease. Thorough instruction manual included. Universal usage for outboard motors. Number 4, Yamaha Outboard Marfuel ILTR 10 Micron Fuel Water Separating Filter. If you have a Yamaha engine that is rated 115 horsepower or lower, the Yamaha Outboard Marfuel ILTR 10 Micron Fuel Water Separating Filter was designed with you in mind. This filtration system is able to do what it does thanks to its filtration system of 10 microns and 90 GPH flow rate. Highlighted features. Easy to install. Incredibly easy to replace. Reputable brand. Number 5, Ebly R12T Fuel Fittings Marine Spin-On Fuel Filter Water Separator. If you've been looking for a universal fuel filter water separator kit, you can officially end your search. The Ebly R12T Fuel Fittings Marine Spin-On Fuel Filter Water Separator is what you've been looking for. With a flow rate of 30 GPH and a 10 micron filter, your boat, regardless of whether it has a gas or diesel engine, will run better than ever before. Highlighted features. Clear collection bowl. Self-draining feature. Compatible with gas and diesel engines. Easy to replace. A fuel filter water separator is a must-have engine accessory. It basically removes all the contamination that causes about 95% of the fuel pump and injector failure. When the best marine fuel filter water separator is installed on your boat, it saves you the cost of fuel pump and injector repairs. Hope you can find the best one now. Thanks for watching.